Okay, hello there. I hope you still remember your ERO method. Now is another application of it. Okay, let's say if you got yourself into these matrices where AX equals to B, I can then write down in augmented form is A stroke B. Okay, then we can change it into reduced augmented form. Don't worry about it. Let's have a look on several examples. So I can rewrite it again, something like this. A, B, and I change it into I after doing the ERO processes, elementary row operation. Is similar to that. The left hand side, you will get yourself an identity, and you will find the right hand side. This will be your solution. Okay, let's have a look on several examples. Close the video, okay? Okay, let's have a look. Now, we're given these matrices, and we want to solve it by using Gauss Jordan. You can use the inverse is for inverse way, but sometimes in exam they say, hey, use Gauss Jordan. Okay, remember that I can write the matrices here as AX equals to B. If you want to go for the augmented form, it will just be A stroke B, and that's how we're going to solve it. Okay, so we got ourselves into augmented form. And then from here, you just solve it by using ERO method. Well, if you stuck in ERO, I highly recommend you watch the video on ERO, which I've explained in very big details. So by using the ERO, remember when you do process on the left, this part is affected as well. You can see the number change. How long are you going to use the ERO? Until you got the left hand side as identity. Okay, as you see here, we got ourselves here as the identity, and this is your new matrices, where this is your solution. Right? So that's the first example. Let me close the video a little bit. You can see this is your X, that's your P, Pi, and that's your Z. If you need help further in ERO, please watch the video on ERO I've done. I explain in very lengthy detail. So let's say if you got yourself this type, the exam is not going to be as straightforward as the last question. So we change it into, and you given here the cost of everything. First and foremost, if you see such as this, you change into the linear equation first. From the linear equation, then you can change it into matrices form, right? And then in the matrices form, I will not go that as far. I will write down firstly AX equals to B, then only I write down A, the B form, the augmented form. That's personally how I will actually do it. And then once you switch here, you can do the ERO method. I'm not going to bore you too much with it, because today we're going to learn Gauss Jordan. And once you reach down here, you got yourself the left hand side is the identity, and this is the new matrices. Remember, the right hand side is your solution. X35, Y34, and Z28. For the cost for the concert is this one. Amount has to pay. This one you have to calculate. Now they want 2 concert, 1 orchestra, and 3 opera. Just substitute back into the equation which one is opera, which one is orchestra, and so on, and you get the final answer over there. That's just a calculation, normal calculation. Okay, I hope you guys get the idea on how to find the Gauss Jordan. Yes, you need to use the ERO method in the middle. Good luck with ERO. My advice is just calculate them slowly and you reach them there. Okay, thank you for listening.